Hey everyone, hope you all are staying safe, doing good and staying at home. This video is lockdown days aka quarantine. So in this video, I'm not going to preach about be productive and be productive. This is a cool video and you can find something useful in it, or at least it will engage you for 5 minutes. So first thing first, let me start with a fun fact. The word quarantine. This is a word that most of the people haven't heard before. And now this word #quarantine has become really famous. And secondly, panic buying. Panic buying is something a lot of people are doing right now because we do not know what happens in the future and we do not know whether we'll get groceries in the future. And that's the panic created among the people, and that's why they buy a lot of groceries and stock it up in the home. But there is one thing I request you, because there are a lot of people still who don't get enough money, who are not able to afford to buy those things. Don't purchase things that are unnecessary or that are less useful, because there might be people who are badly needing it. And don't stock up your house with unnecessary things. And thirdly, eat healthy and eat less. So there are two reasons behind this. Firstly, you are staying at home and you do not do any physical activity. Obviously, you're going to sit on a couch or walk inside your house, and that's it. When your body doesn't need that much energy for just sitting in a couch or walking inside your house, you can stop consuming your regular diet and start consuming less than that. So the second reason behind this is you can stock up for extra 10 days or something like that. And fourthly, talk to an old friend. Yeah, this is something really interesting, because talking to an old friend will make you realize and remember all your old versions or different versions. You can rediscover a lot of versions of yourself, and this will definitely fill yourself with so much happiness, and you'll definitely be super energized when you talk to an old friend. And I call random friends and I talk to them for hours, and that makes me really happy. I would like to tell you that don't be very productive. Don't check for some courses on Udemy or Skillshare, but at your home, relax and talk with your mom, help your mom in cooking, help your dad, play with your sibling, fight with your sibling, because this is the time where you can be very happy sitting at home, just sitting at home, where nobody will scold you for being idle and jobless. And last but not least, I started doing gardening, because gardening is something really I love since my childhood, and right now we do not have enough vegetables, or maybe in the future the vegetables demand may go high and the prices are also increasing day by day. I planted few veggies, and you can even start with corianders or mints. That might be helpful at least in some way or the other, because the satisfaction you get from gardening and harvesting is absolutely bliss, and that will definitely make you so happy. So start gardening, or at least do some practice. It's not about being very productive, but you can help your mom in some way. So I hope this video really helped you in discovering yourself or really entertained you. And if you liked it, please comment, and that really means a lot. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in another video.